Hello, friends. It's Gina Green, your wellness coach and essential oils mentor, back again on our 30-day Sleep Better Naturally challenge. In week 1, we laid the foundation for better sleep by focusing on effective sleep habits, practical routines, and essential sleep hygiene tips. If you haven't yet had a chance to watch week 1, I've linked it below in the description. As we embark on week 2, let's enhance our sleep journey by exploring natural sleep helpers to elevate sleep quality and attain deeper, more restful slumber. I also want to let you know I found a great number of resources when I was putting this together for you, but it's too many to go through here. So feel free to comment below Better Sleep, and I'll give you a link to those resources. First up, let's talk about our herbal allies. Herbs like chamomile, valerian root, lavender, passion flower, they all have remarkable sleep promoting properties. Whether it's enjoying them as a soothing tea or diffusing their essential oils, these herbs can work wonders in calming the mind and preparing your body for sleep. On my journey towards better sleep, I went with the essential oils since it's something we're always using in our home. What I've discovered is a significant improvement in my sleep quality and feelings of restfulness by consistently using my doTERRA Serenity sleep system. So let's briefly do a dive a little deeper into this and learn more about how these oils work together to promote improving sleep. On your journey to better sleep, you may want to consider trying some or all of these as your natural sleep helpers to support your sleep routine. First, the Serenity Restful Blend is a powerhouse of essential oils combining lavender, cedarwood, coriander, ylang ylang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, vetiver, and sandalwood. There's also even a hint of tonka bean and vanilla believed to have calming and relaxing effects on your body and mind. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do I use essential oil? Before bed, you can take a couple drops in the palms of your hand and take a few deep breaths to help you wind down. You can also diffuse 3 to 5 drops while you sleep to maintain a tranquil, peaceful atmosphere all night. Another convenient option is the Restful Complex Soft Gels. These contain lavender essential oil, tart cherry, and herbs such as lemon balm, passion flower, and chamomile, which for me has promoted relaxation and restful sleep. I found when I take one capsule 30 minutes before bed, I wind down more easily, even when I have a lot on my mind or I'm feeling stressed. It seems like I get to sleep naturally and just doze off. Lastly, there's the Serenity Stick Plus Valerian. This stick combines the restful blend with valerian root essential oil to create a comforting, grounding aroma that contributes to enhancing a restful environment and may calm your mind for a more restful night's sleep. You simply apply it to the bottom of your feet and your pulse points before going to bed. This has not only helped me fall asleep, but my teenage son has his own Serenity stick, which has done wonders in helping him to fall asleep quickly. To learn more about the Serenity sleep system, I've pinned a link in the comments for you. Now, let's discuss the importance of sleep enhancing rituals. A soothing bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Some simple ways I've started incorporating sleep enhancing rituals are to be intentional with a consistent bedtime and wake time. I want to admit this has been a part of my challenge, but I did manage several nights with the lights out by 10 p.m. and waking up at 6:30 a.m. I did use my sleep system 30 minutes before bed. I put my cell phone away from the bed and I set the clock on my phone to use the bedtime option to get gentle sleep sounds on it for 1 hour. I'll also have nights where I read a print book instead of listening to audio, and now have a satin pillowcase that I find very inviting when I lay my head down at night. You may want to try some of these sleep enhancing rituals or find rituals that have resonated with you so far to personalize your routine in helping you sleep better. Lastly, let's talk about sleep promoting bedtime snacks. I know I've admitted to you that I'm a bedtime snacker. And while not everyone struggles with that, here's some nighttime food options that are known to promote falling asleep. These nutrient rich foods contain melatonin, also known as the sleep inducing hormone. You'll find melatonin in bananas, milk, tart cherry juice, and almond or pistachio nuts, which are said to be very high in melatonin, all of which can support getting a good night's sleep. Maybe consider incorporating these foods after your evening meal while avoiding heavy bedtime snacks or sugary foods that really do disrupt your sleep. As we wrap up today's video, on your journey to better sleep, try out some of the different herbal allies, sleep enhancing rituals, or even sleep promoting snacks you believe that would work best for you. I'd love you to share your experience and success in the comments below. And click the subscribe button if you haven't already to be notified of our next video as we continue to explore natural solutions for better sleep together. Remember, let's support each other, try new things, and make these nights the best that we can. Thank you for joining me today. Keep up the great work on your sleep journey, and remember, each small change can make a big difference. Rest well, and I'll see you in the next video.